Hello everyone, welcome to Byte the Code. So here we have a problem statement which is the warm-up exercise. Basically what I am doing is I'm trying to solve the exercises mentioned on this website. So the first warm-up exercise that I came across is this one. The parameter weekday is true if it is a weekday, and the parameter vacation is true if we are on vacation. So we sleep in if it is not a weekday or we are on vacation. So we have to return true if we sleep in. So basically this is how this is going to be. So for example, we have this method sleep in, which is having two parameters, weekday and the other one is vacation parameter. So if both the values are false, we will return true. So basically the thing is we have to return true only when it is not a weekday or we are on vacation. So see, this is the key statements here. If it is not a weekday, the first thing we have to focus on this. So if it is not a weekday, that means we can write it something like this: not a weekday, right? And then he says or, we'll mention or, then it is saying we are on vacation. So that means this has to be true. So vacation, assume it is having the value as true. So this has to be not true, right? Should not be a weekday, or it should be a vacation. So it should be true. So in this case, we have to return true, right? Else we have to return false. Let's run this. Yeah. So this was the warm-up exercise 1. I hope you like it. Uh, Please check this playlist. I'm creating a playlist for this Coding Bad website, and we'll be solving each and every module of it. For example, right now I'm on warm-up 1, so we'll be solving all of these. Then we will move on to warm-up 2, string 1, array 1, so on to all the other modules mentioned here. So stay tuned, we'll be solving everything mentioned here. Thank you.